Hello, friends. Okay, so this is just a rough model of a possible idea that can work, and I'll just run through the components here with you real quick. First off is this bin is modeled on the one that I sent you a link to that is for sale on Walmart. It is an acrylic bin. It comes with an acrylic lid, and this is based loosely on the dimensions given. I had to guess at the amount of taper on the sides. I guessed at 5 degrees. If we could actually get a hold of the bin, we could verify, but if it's off, it doesn't matter. Then we have a 2-inch PVC pipe at the bottom. Needed to make that into an actual pipe. Okay, so this is PVC 2-inch pipe at the bottom for a spout. Then this auger, I modeled this up based on the one that was for sale so affordably on Amazon, and I've actually ordered 4 of these. This auger is 9 inches from top to bottom according to the listing, and it looks like about half of that length has the steel auger. All of this comes painted, looks kind of like a gloss black. And so the concept was that, looking at it from the front, part of the auger would stick down into the 2-inch pipe, and the upper part would catch the material, shove it down into the 2-inch pipe, and it would then be expelled with the pipe serving as kind of an output nozzle. This idea calls for an 18 gauge thick steel washer that has a hex hole cut instead of a round hole, and there would be 2 of these, one below a crank rim and one above it, and then an axle with a crank handle. And when this is turned by human strength, it cranks the auger and compels the slime to come out. And of course, this pipe could continue longer, or have an angle, have an elbow put onto it, and then perhaps another elbow, so that it could come down and extend out to where the cup is. So that's a trivial matter to address that. But just the concept of this mechanism, this cranking mechanism attached to the auger, is all attached to the lid. Now this lid is something I modeled up, and it's not realistic compared to, for instance, it has this lip around the side, and it's not like the acrylic lid that's coming. This is a lid that I could make out of plywood or acrylic or something, but we may be able to actually affix the crank handle to the lid that actually comes with the bin, and that would save steps and save material and save cost. So it would look like this, but it wouldn't have this lip, protruding lip around the sides. So the idea is that this whole thing, let me go to the side view. The idea is that the whole thing could be positioned in a stand so that it is rotated up, and that's 15 degrees right there. And so if it was in a stand that kept it at that position, then you have gravity helping to feed the slime down toward the auger and down toward the spout. So anyway, this is an idea that I wanted to show you and see if it looked okay.